Before you commence the assembly process, we strongly recommend reading PDF instructions thoroughly to familiarize yourself with the assembly process and to check that you have the correct components. We highly recommend that any assembly be carried out on a flat, level surface and use another person to assist you if necessary. Take one of the wooden slats with pencil lines and pre-drilled pilot holes. Then take 6 structure planks and align them with the pencil lines. Secure the whole frame structure with provided longer wood screws. Important: when all the slats have been secured, measure frame diagonals and ensure they are equal, using as many assistants as necessary. Add your pergola post in both corners as shown. Make sure that the post edge is flush with the edge of the decking frame. Secure each post with 2 longer wood screws. When both posts are secured, take a pre-made front insert for your frame kit and place it between the uprights. Use longer wood screws to secure the insert on both sides. Lay the decking strips on the frame, running them across the joists. Space them out, using the provided spacer, so they are evenly distributed and running parallel. Fix each strip into place with 2 wood screws down both edges, and then wherever the decking strip meets a joist. Now attach the edging strip to each side using 2 wood screws at each end as shown, and then further pairs of screws, evenly spaced along its length. Work out where you wish to affix your wall plate, ensuring that it is positioned so that the area directly in front of it is flat, level, and able to support the structure. Important: the top edge should be 2,605 mm above the ground, but if required, it can be fitted lower as long as the same amount is removed from the bottom of each post. Take the edge rafters and align them to the wall-mounted main beam and secure it with 2 100 mm coach bolts. Use the assistants to hold the another end while completing this step. When the side runners are secured, place the remaining main beam on the front of your pergola. Align the edges of the rafters and secure them with 2 100 mm coach bolts from both sides. Align one of the shorter brace ends so it sits flush and central against the main beam and the post. Fit it into place using wood screws through the pre-drilled holes at each end. Repeat this step for the other brace. Now, align long brace with the top of edge rafter and secure via pre-drilled guide holes with wood screws. Make sure that bottom edge sit flush against the post. Continue adding the remaining rafters. Use provided spacer bar to space them out equally. Use 100 mm coach bolts to secure the rafters on both ends.